Yo,
Welcome back. Check out this amazing Best 10 PCS LED upgraded that I just found. This is considered a total must-have for this year. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere because the value here is mind-blowing. Regarding the build, it is absolutely impressive. The attention to detail on this specific model is stunning. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. The smart technology inside makes it so efficient. It delivers consistent results every single time you use it. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch. This offer won't last. Click the link below right now and secure yours at the best possible price today. Don't wait until it's gone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you.